So we are on our way to Sydney, and we're just finished parking our car, and we're going to catch the bus to the terminal. Yeah. However, it is, what is today? Thursday. We're in Sydney. It is a beautiful day. Look at the blue. Absolutely beautiful. So yeah, we are going to be hanging out with family today. Taya Manuia. It is a new day. Yesterday was very low key. We spent lots of time with family, which was great. Today we are going to drop my mum off at the temple. She is a Latter-day Saint, and the Melbourne temple is not open for the rest of the year. So let me show you my fit check. Today I have my Talofa t-shirt with Talofa my Samoa. So this is Samoa. If you see some pretty cool LA in the Talofa. And then I have my jeans, and that's my fit check. you. We are looking for an exit. We are stuck here. So we decided to come to Carlingford and I got a halloumi stack. So halloumi and poached eggs and avocado and a hot chocolate. And we are at Cafe Berry Beans. And Logan got that meh. We are on our way to Maketi Moana. So we're back from Maketi Moana. I'm just going to do a bit of a haul. So these are from Tino Designs. What did I get from Tino Designs? I got a tunnel card. So this is from Tino C Design. I got a Malu sticker for my laptop, a Pisupo sticker for my laptop, and a certified taro legs also for my laptop. I also got cards, Alafa'atu, Whawhitai, Manuia, Neasotina, and Manuia Aso Lo Aso Whanau. So that was all from Tino C Design. Then from Pacifica Kids, so there's their details. So Pacifica Kids, we got a lot from them because we are now doing playgroups, and they're also great for when we do our in-person programs. So these are all sets of cards. What do the cards look like? So there's number ones. So these ones are all Samoan. It's got the number, the word, and the English translation. And the back it's got Pacifica Kids. Then we have the Samoan alphabet, and beautiful images. It's got the letter, it's got an image, it's got the Samoan word and the English translation. So we've got a whole set of Samoan ones. There's also animals. Yep. And then we also have so colors. Then we also got the days of the week and the months. And then we got some Tongan ones. So there's Tongan colors. Sorry about the background noise. Tongan numbers. And I think there's Tongan alphabet. So these are for our Pacifica play group, which we have at my full-time work. We also got a bunch of posters. So there's shapes, Samoan shapes, numbers, colors, months of the year, Faitaupi, Aso Levai Aso, and we did a Samoan colouring in book and a Tongan colouring in book. We'll just have a little quick look at what's inside. So there's numbers and letters. Yes, and so these are all from Pacifica Kids, and you can order them all online as well. Next is Ula and her brothers. So I love Ula and her brothers. They're amazing. Noelle is amazing. So we got this table runner. It's got some hibiscus, some crabs, coconut tree, pineapple. Very cool. We got some notebooks. So there's a corned beef notebook. How beautiful is this design? So these are all hand stamped. So Noelle makes the stamps and then she hand stamps each of these. She also has the special paper and cardboard put together for the notebooks. So they're the best quality. Sorry, upside down. So they're the best quality that you can find. Then we also have some cards. So Bird of Paradise and Sampua. And they're all hand stamped. And that again is Ula and her brothers. I forgot to get a business card. Next up we have some beautiful art pieces by Grace Agnes Vuitaki. So Grace Agnes Art, let me put that up there where you can see. So we got some beautiful art created by Grace, and these are all cards. How gorgeous are they? And then I got this beautiful hibiscus girl sticker. very excited, and that again is Grace Agnes Art. Then we have Serenity Creations. Serenity Creations is also an artist. Let me put this up. Serenity Arts and Crafts. That's the back. So I got a piece of artwork from Serenity Creations, and it's so cute. It's gorgeous. Don't worry, drink coconut. Look at all of the background artwork. Like, that detail is also amazing. Yeah, so don't worry, drink coconut. And then I went to, pretty sure it's Tale Designs. I will find out and put it on the, but it's beautiful earrings and a necklace and a matching pair. Very excited to try these. And again, I'll put the name. I'm pretty sure it's Tale something. Sorry. And then and this one doesn't have Vailoloto, the Real Heel. Vailoloto, the Real Heel. Let me put that up there. See. And this is a Loto Farfetai, a Samoan gratitude journal. And so something that I'm trying to do more of is be more grateful. So it does have some parts that you can fill in, but there's also just a lot of space where you can write your own things. So I'm excited to try that. Then we went to macrames. I've already purchased a lot of this, or a mini nafunua and a ukulele holder. I love their stuff. So what did we get? So we got this. So this one you can hang it up, and then on the little ball or the wooden bit I have a scent. It's beautiful pineapple scent, so nice. Excuse me. And so the scent goes with this, and I'm going to hang that up either most likely in my car because my car needs it. Then I got my Christmas presents already early. So they're giant book clips, but if you look, it's got a macrame portion to the top, so that's your book mark. So I got a bunch of them for Christmas presents. So yes, I'm already thinking about Christmas. And that is all from macrames. I'll show you the back so you can scan that and check them out. And I think it's last. So I was very, very, very blessed to have caught up with Naked Polly, and thank you so much for coming up to say hello. And yes, it's always great to meet people in real life, and so many of these businesses I follow online, and to be able to come and meet them in real life has been such a blessing. And one of them is Naked Polly, and let me put up there. share, make sure to follow them, Naked Polly. I got their stuff all smells amazing, and I got the Naked Polly body custard, and it is a Polynesian inspired scent. This one actually is passion fruit, I believe. So the ingredients are all there, but yes, I believe it's passion fruit and issy, purple fragrance. Smells so good, and it's nice and thick. I don't want to open it too much because can you see that? Yeah, but nice and thick, smells amazing, and I'm looking forward to trying this when I get back because yeah, I don't want it to go all over my bags. But yes, that is my haul. Thank you for joining, and yes, support Pacific businesses. They are amazing and offer some great, beautiful things for us.
Yeah. You keep your left foot, I keep my right foot then. So I'm here, and then I'm here. Yeah. Yeah, that if that works, that'd be good. If you could do that like still smooth and fast, yeah, that'd look good. Because then it'd be like a smoother transition. Yeah. But you gotta figure out how you're gonna do a position. Yeah, that's a lot of like that routine you just showed me. It's a lot of like technical. That's a lot of technical stuff.
How do you mean by technical?
So like. Technical to me would be a lot of intricate sort of releases and catches. So I can't remember, but there's a lot of like there's a lot of turn. Which is good. But like because when Fred was teaching me, you know Fred? So when Fred was teaching me, like I used to have sort of like a similar routine where I was never staying still, like everything was like, yeah. And he would always say like, break that up a bit.
Because Yeti helped me with that routine,
Yeah.
and he said, "Oh, the more people you share that routine, the more they can help you with that too." So
Yeah. Yeah. Nah, it's good.
yeah,
But like
there's a lot of
that's the only thing is like if you're gonna do that